mommies! I am sure lahat tayo mag-a-agree yung kapag buntis ka, especially pag first time mom ka, gusto mong nakikinig ng mga experiences ng ibang mommies dahil gusto mong malaman kung ano yung mga dapat mong iwasan or dapat mong gawin. So mommies, in this video, ang pag-uusapan natin ay yung mga sa tingin kong dapat nating iwasan by the time na manganganak na tayo or during our pregnancy. These are the things that we need to avoid to prevent us from complications during pregnancy or to prevent any risk, serious risk during the time na manganganak na tayo. Again, mommies, this is just a healthy kwentuhan here in my channel where I share yung mga experiences ko bilang first-time mom as a wife and kung papaano ako nagkaroon ng positive labor and delivery. Hindi po ako doctor nor a professional. It's always best to consult your doctor. My advices, mommies, do not replace yung professional and accurate advice ng healthcare providers ninyo. Okay? So, number one, mommy, pag-usapan na natin. When you are about to push, mommy, never hold back. So, ibig sabihin, kapag nandun ka na sa delivery table and you are about to push, of course, mommy, at some point, meron kang mafe-feel na intense na pain, ganon. Or, you can also feel that urge to poop, ganon. So, do not ever hold that back. Huwag kang mahihiya na baka makapoop ka, ganon. Dahil, according din sa nabasa ko, mommy, it is really very likely daw that some mothers may poop during childbirth. So, ibig sabihin, ine-expect na yon na mga doctors, nurses, so wag ka na mahihiya, mommy. Just let it go, ganyan. So, ang gagawin mo, hihinga ka na malalim, and then release. When you are about to push, mommy, remember to avoid dwelling on the pain, avoid holding back, and avoid thinking na baka makapoop ka. Focus ka lang dun sa part where you really need to help yourself. Kailangan mong huwag kalimutang huminga, and also, you have to focus on the part where you are going to meet your baby after that final push, okay? Number two, mommy, when you are in labor or kapag na-feel mo na yung early signs of labor, try your best not to eat too much. Of course, mommy, kailangan mo pa rin kumain. Dahil syempre, kailangan mo ng energy by the time na manganganak ka na. For some mommies, kailangan nila ng emergency CS and wag naman sana sa inyo, mommies, ha. Pero, during this procedure, iniiwasan daw ng mga doctors na ma-put at risk si mommy with aspiration. Ito daw yung when a mommy accidentally inhales food inside her lungs. If this happens daw, this is very dangerous and can cause death kay mommy. Although it rarely happens daw, but still, mommies, kailangan pa rin nating maging very careful and do some preventive measures to avoid it, diba? Number three, mommies, avoid taking any medicine unless it is prescribed. Of course, siguro karamihan sa atin, very particular na dito. However, mommies, lagi nating iisipin na kahit na yung ibang mommies, sinubukan nila at okay naman sa kanila yung isang medicine, bilang buntis sila katulad ninyo, it does not mean na okay din sa inyo yung medicine na yon. Like for example, mommy, kapag ka 39 or 40 weeks ka na, tapos gusto mo na talagang ma-induce yung labor mo dahil gusto mo na talagang manganak, diba? Yung ibang mommies, may mga tinitake silang mga supplements na they think it is very helpful para ma-induce yung labor nila. Pero it's still best to play it safe, mommy, kasi hindi natin alam kung hindi prescribe ng doctor natin yun sa atin, baka naman dahil hindi pwede sa atin, mga ganun. Number 4, mommy, is do not focus too much on your looks. Okay, of course, mommy, it is very good to look good, especially when you feel good about looking good. However, mommy, ang ibig kong sabihin dito sa tip ko na to is to avoid focusing everything that you are doing on your looks during your pregnancy. Kasi nga, frustrated ka kasi you feel like you're ugly na, ganyan. Yung mukha mo ang taba na, or yung kilikili mo ang itim-itim na, leeg mo ang itim na, ganun. So, do not feel frustrated about it. Na to the extent na nakalimutan mong gawin na yung ibang mga bagay na kailangan mong gawin or i-focus, like for example, dun sa diet mo or dun sa exercise para matulungan mo yung sarili mo na magkaroon ng very good pregnancy and para ma-promote mo yung positive or progressive labor by the time na malapit ka ng manganak. Remember this, mommy. Pregnancy makes you even more beautiful. Bakit? Dahil a beautiful life, you are raising a beautiful life inside of you. And that's what makes you more beautiful than yung ibang mga girls around you. That is your pride being a pregnant mommy. So, mommies, the next time that you look at yourself at the mirror, do not feel sad. I-appreciate mo yung beauty ng pregnancy mo. Appreciate mo yung mga stretch marks, yung mga maitim na kilikili, maitim na leeg na kailangan mong pagdaanan just because you have to raise a beautiful life inside of you. And that is a privilege and it makes you even more beautiful. Uulitin ko, it makes you even more beautiful than the other women around you. Number 5, mommy, avoid focusing too much on your due date. Na-notice ko kasi there are a lot of mommies kapag 38, 39 weeks na sila, natatakot na sila bakit hindi pa sila nakakaroon ng signs of labor, ganyan. Baka ma-CS or baka ma-overdue na sila, ganyan, baka kung ano mangyari sa kanila ni baby, ganon. So, mommies, keep this in mind. As long as you have a healthy pregnancy and you're doing what you can do, what you have to, for you to have a very good labor and delivery, then there is nothing for you to worry. Meron ako nabasa, mommy, na usually, some mommies who give birth ng past their due date are usually yung mga mommies na first-time moms, okay? Or first-time nilang manganak. It does not mean na lahat ganun may experience. Shinare ko lang yung nabasa ko na yon na merong ganung study. So, maybe it will make you feel little bit better. And also, mommies, when you focus kasi too much on the date, by the time na or by the end of your pregnancy, hindi mo na na-enjoy. Mas natatakot ka na, nagiging anxious ka na. So, ang nangyayari doon, nako-compromise yung labor mo, nako-compromise yung mood mo, nako-compromise yung peace of mind mo. Instead of you spending your time during your last weeks or few weeks before you give birth para i-enjoy yung pregnancy mo, mag-bond kayo ni baby, or help yourself para mag-progress yung labor mo, hindi na. Kasi may fear ka nang nararamdaman. And remember, mommy, di ba, lagi kong sinasabi sa ibang mga vlogs ko, fear is really not helpful by the time na manganganak ka na because it may slow down your labor or worse, it may stop your labor progress. So, mommies, dun sa last few weeks ng pregnancy mo, it is very important for you to strengthen your focus on having a positive mindset and also on having a calm state of mind. I-enjoy mo, mommy, yung huling days ng pagbubuntis mo. Take a lot of pictures, take a lot of rest dahil alam mo, mommy, by the time na nanganak ka na, nako, baka ayaw mo nang matulog dahil gusto mo alagaan mo na lang 24/7 yung anak mo. And also, take a lot of bonding time with your husband, with your baby while you are pregnant. Yun yung mas worth it na dapat mong pagtuunan ng pansin by the time na malapit ka ng mga anak. Thank you, mommies. I hope nakatulong itong video na ito sa inyo. Always remember to think positive and choose to empower other mommies.